Introduction. High-protein meals made affordable.
Eating high-protein meals doesn't have to break the bank. By relying on pantry staples, you can create nutritious, satisfying dishes that fuel your body and help you stay within your budget. Let's explore easy-to-find, affordable ingredients and simple meal ideas packed with protein for everyday wellness.
Protein-packed pantry staples.
Some pantry staples are excellent sources of protein. Think canned beans, lentils, chickpeas, canned tuna, eggs, peanut butter, oats, and whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Even frozen vegetables and shelf-stable tofu can help. These ingredients are affordable, long-lasting, and versatile for countless meals.
Chickpea and tuna salad.
Combine canned chickpeas and tuna with diced onions, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper for a protein-rich salad. This dish is quick, requires no cooking, and can be served on toast or leafy greens. Both chickpeas and tuna are pantry staples loaded with protein, making this meal filling and budget-friendly.
Lentil and vegetable stir-fry.
Cook lentils ahead of time and stir-fry them with frozen vegetables, a splash of soy sauce, and garlic. Lentils are a protein powerhouse and super affordable. Combined with veggies, this meal delivers fiber and nutrients. Serve it over brown rice or another grain for a balanced, satisfying dinner.
Egg and oat pancakes.
Beat together eggs, oats, a dash of salt, and a bit of baking powder to create simple protein-packed pancakes. Cook in a skillet and serve as a savory breakfast or dinner. Eggs and oats are common pantry items that together offer complete protein and lasting energy.
Tips for budget high-protein eating.
Buy ingredients like beans and lentils in bulk for extra savings. Plan meals to use what you have, and try swapping pricier meats for plant proteins sometimes. Prepping meals in advance can help reduce food waste and make it easier to maintain a high-protein, healthy diet on a budget.
Conclusion. Eat well without overspending.
Affordable, high-protein meals are within reach when you use pantry staples creatively. With simple recipes and a little planning, you can fuel your body, save money, and enjoy delicious, nourishing meals every day. Start experimenting with these ideas and discover more ways to make protein part of your regular menu.